be given that are globally respected, that of international mobility, that do not carry stigma. We have to take care of our students, and this can happen in the form of examinations or effective, suitable mechanism. Examinations can be held when course is complete, situation is implemented, ground reality is wholesome. I pose a question to myself. My dear Vice Chancellors, have you devised these methods? Are you aware of it? Have you interacted with students? Have you a mechanism to know about their mind? Or are you just engaged in taking on the governor and chancellor? Is it your primary motivation, object? Someone who you think will write your dossier, will write it well if you act on against the chancellor. Shared events. There could have been number of dramatic changes to suit COVID-19 situation. Libraries could be done online. Those who do not have proper connectivity, their concerns can be addressed. Have the VCs and their administrative staff checked on what is happening in other parts of the world? They have not stopped. They are informing students, faculties, administrative staff about course and examination. They have even granted degrees by holding virtual convocations. How long and how far the students of this state will be denied their right in the situation when state has completely failed in controlling COVID-19 transmission. Those who are in front of me, they are privy to it. They know how serious situation in which we are. If so, can the state inform how long students will have to further wait? What will be the modalities of their compensation if they lose 1 year or more in the academic pursuit? Who will compensate them and how? Those who are waiting for degrees to submit for job, and some of them have been selected. Would there be any system of granting ad hoc degrees in anticipation? All these issues are under neglect. They are under back burner. Nelson's eye is being turned on them. Why? Should it be done or not? What is required today is proper planning, execution, thinking. If the state has done it, your governor would know it before anyone else. I am not aware. But if there is one, why are you keeping it secret? Why are you keeping it so secret like the skeletons in your cupboards? Let the people know about it. If the VCs have done, government, if they have done, I am not aware. If VCs have done, I am equally not aware. Students are not aware. Their guardians are not aware. Media is not aware. They must come out appropriately. I call upon the Chief Minister, the Education Minister, and the entire Cabinet, and all the Vice Chancellors who have been denying to come forth to grapple with these issues and problems so acutely faced by our students, that where is their response to change with the crisis currently thrust on them and all of us? They must come out in black and white, for which they have been elected, selected and funded by the people. What have they thought about the issues? I pose a question. How they have articulated them, how they propose to address, how they will execute. They must give tangible and time frame, else it will be waste of time and failing our students. Friends, I have shown utmost respect, patience and persuasion in dealing with the Vice Chancellors. All that has gone down the drain. because of their determined non-responsive approach. I have taken them as part of my family, being the Chancellor and Governor. I have repeatedly said I do not wish them to be stressed because the state government is fighting with the governor. Publicly I have said so. I have pleaded with everyone, let our Vice Chancellors act with freedom. The acts have limited role for the Governor and Chancellor and much more limited role for the state government. I was compelled to issue a show cause notice of dismissal to one of the Vice Chancellors, Cooch Behar, Panchalan Burma University. I would appeal to the media. It was circulated, but attention has not been bestowed. Public domain media has not carried it. Please read it. I will read some part of it. You will know where my pain is. My order of 12th June 2020 is comprehensive. I will read some parts of it so that you come to know about my pain. Friends, this order will be circulated to you. If you will go to page 8, you will find sequence of details. The convocation was to be held on 14th February 2020. When I issued notice, the Chancellor has not been given any intimation. University gives a reply. Mark the reply. They say, we have sent a letter on 16th January 2020. Well in time. Convocation was on 14th February. They have sent on 16th January.